Have you ever wondered which vitamins can help you take control of your blood sugar? What if I told you that some vitamins don't just regulate glucose, but also protect against long-term complications? Stick around, because today I'll reveal the 5 must-have vitamins every diabetic should know about and how they can transform your health. Welcome to Health Hack, your go-to channel for practical tips and insights to improve your health and overall well-being. Here, we break down complex health topics into simple, actionable advice, empowering you to take control of your lifestyle. Whether it's managing chronic conditions, boosting energy, or unlocking your full potential, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Let's dive into today's topic and help you live your healthiest, happiest life. Let's dive into the top 5 vitamins every diabetic must take. Each of these is a game changer, and I'll share a quick story to show you just how powerful they can be. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to share a surprising bonus tip, one vitamin that most people overlook, but can make a huge difference for diabetics. You won't want to miss this. Imagine Jack, a busy accountant who rarely saw the sun. He constantly felt tired, and his blood sugar was always fluctuating. After a blood test revealed a severe vitamin D deficiency, he started taking supplements, and within weeks, he felt more energetic and noticed more stable glucose levels. Why it matters? Vitamin D plays a crucial role in insulin sensitivity. Low levels are often linked to higher blood sugar. For diabetics, getting enough vitamin D can improve your body's response to insulin and reduce inflammation. Sources include sunlight, fortified foods, or supplements. Could a simple dose of sunshine improve your blood sugar control? Let's find out as we move to the next must-have vitamin. Meet Susan, a teacher constantly on her feet. Her diabetes often left her with slow-healing wounds and frequent colds. After introducing vitamin C into her diet, she not only felt healthier but also noticed her wounds healed faster. Why it matters? Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that combats oxidative stress, a big issue for diabetics. It also improves capillary health, helping with wound healing and overall immunity. You'll find it in citrus fruits, bell peppers, and supplements. Could this common vitamin be the secret to better healing and energy? Let's explore the next one. Alex, a retired engineer, started experiencing numbness in his hands and feet, a common diabetic complication. His doctor recommended B12, and within months, the tingling sensation significantly improved. Why it matters? Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve health and preventing neuropathy, a common issue for diabetics. It also helps with red blood cell production and energy levels. Get it from fish, dairy, or supplements, especially if you're on medications like metformin that can deplete B12 levels. Do your nerves feel the strain of diabetes? Don't miss the next vitamin. Sarah, a fitness enthusiast with type 2 diabetes, hit a plateau in her glucose management. Her nutritionist suggested adding magnesium-rich foods to her diet. After a month, her sugar levels were more stable, and she felt less fatigued. Why it matters? Magnesium is crucial for over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including glucose metabolism. Low magnesium levels can worsen insulin resistance. Foods like spinach, almonds, and pumpkin seeds are rich in this mineral, or you can try a supplement. Could balancing a single mineral help you control blood sugar better? Let's look at the final must-have vitamin. Tom, a chef, struggled with vision issues due to diabetes. He started taking vitamin E, and over time, his eye health improved. Why it matters? Vitamin E protects your cells from damage caused by high blood sugar. It's especially beneficial for eye health and reducing the risk of diabetic complications. Foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocado are rich in vitamin E, but supplements can also help. Now that you know the top 5 vitamins, imagine what they can do together. Stay with me as I share how to make these a regular part of your life. And now, as promised, here's the bonus vitamin that can truly level up your diabetes management: alpha-lipoic acid, ALA. This isn't technically a vitamin, but it's a powerful antioxidant that acts like one. ALA has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and help with nerve-related issues like neuropathy. It works by reducing oxidative stress, which is a big problem for diabetics. Take Mike, a graphic designer. He started taking ALA after struggling with constant nerve pain and found significant relief in just a few months. Why it matters? ALA is natural many people take it as a supplement for higher doses. So, if you're looking for an extra edge in managing your diabetes, ALA could be the game changer you've been searching for. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on health and wellness. What's your favorite tip from today's video? Let me know in the comments below. Now that you know the essential vitamins for diabetics, I've got something even more important coming up in the next video. Want to know how to create a diabetes-friendly diet that will work with these vitamins? Write in the comments below. I've shared the top vitamins today, but what if I told you there's a secret low-cost lifestyle change that could give you even more control over your blood sugar? Stay tuned for the next video to find out exactly what it is. If you found this video useful, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more tips to take charge of your health. And hey, if you've got any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Before you go, check out these 2 videos on how to manage your blood sugar naturally and boost your energy. Your health journey is just getting started, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Click and keep learning.